Deep in the woods of New York, an exclusive group of men arrive from thousands of miles away to complete a task vital to their survival through the bitter winter months. These are the Woodsmen. To endure the extreme winters, these masculine men need to gather wood from surrounding areas. They spend many back-breaking hours and endure calloused fingers simply to have the opportunity to keep their families warm. In order to truly understand these seemingly simple beings, one must imagine a lumberjack orchestrating his greatest symphony. Think Mozart, Tchaikovsky, Bach. You get the picture. Above all else, these woodsmen' work ethic is so great, it eliminates any trace of potential Alzheimer's. These woodsmen are the reason that our America strives.